we begin with the extreme heat baking much of the country. Almost 90 million Americans in 31 states will face temperatures above 90 degrees today, with the hottest part of the summer still to come. And get this, every day this week, the average temperature on Earth has been the hottest ever recorded. Manuel Bojorquez is covering all of this from Palm Beach, Florida. Manuel, good morning.
Good morning. People here are waking up to temperatures already in the 80s. And when you factor in the humidity later today, the high will feel closer to 104 degrees. It's all part of that same heat dome that's impacting other parts of the country, too.
In Miami, Florida, they're used to the heat, just not like this.
It's toasty.
Even by Miami standards.
By Miami standards.
Bo and his family spent Thursday trying to escape stifling temperatures, which only seem to be getting worse every year. According to Miami-Dade County records, in 1970, there were 84 days when the mercury edged past 90 degrees. Last year, that number soared to 133.
You can see it's hotter, throughout the year. And, our winters are like that now.
Too quick.
Yeah, it's too quick. You blink eyes and they're gone.
The mix of brutal heat and humidity has been felt across the country, from Arizona to Buffalo, New York, where the local pool provided a much-needed relief.
It's too hot, especially for kids. They just want to cool down in some sort of fashion.
In Maine, firefighters are bracing for an increase in heat-related emergency calls.
None of us that live in Maine are used to this kind of heat.
This trend is not going to reverse on its own, and it won't reverse in the coming years.
Scientist Amy Clement with the University of Miami says the heat waves are becoming even more serious the warmer the planet gets.
You get some south winds, or the ocean is a little bit warmer than usual.
This could be naturally a heat wave, but I think what you're saying is that when you layer that on top of climate change, you get these dangerous levels.
Right, and those dangerous levels actually occur for longer periods of time as well.
And Clemens says two key things need to happen to try to minimize the impact. One is to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, but the other, since temperatures have already risen, is to prepare communities for heat waves that could occur more often, but also last longer. Gayle?
Manny, nobody likes to hear the sound of that, but we thank you.